sure it's about being safe. How many of us are going to walk on, East 30th at 2 in the morning? We worry about being safe. The problem I have with how cybersecurity is presented is, it's presented as if it's something different than any other security. How many of you have fire insurance? Why? Have you had a fire?
Yeah.
See? Right there is why. Because one person does have a fire, we all want to make sure we're safe from a fire. Cybersecurity is the same thing.
That's the fire alarm.
Uh-oh.
No, I'm just kidding.
Guess we're on fire. So this is important. So I'm going to tell you an interesting story. Some of you, I think, are in manufacturing. So I had an engineer that was trying to get a manufacturer to back up their server. And he went in every week and he said, we have to back up your server. And they said, I don't want to back up my server. That's $250 a month. I'm not going to do that. We have to back up your server. So I went in there and I said, I have a question for you. What lets you get your orders? Well, we get our orders through our order taking system. I said, where's your order taking system? He said, I don't know. I said, do you know it's on that piece of equipment sitting right next to your secretary's desk? It's like, no, it is. I said, yeah, that's how you get your orders in. That's how you get your products through the line. That's how you send your orders out. If you don't have that, how much can you do? He said, we might make a half a day, and then it would shut down. I said, do you want to shut down because you don't have a way to take orders? He said, no. He wanted safety. He wanted his line to work. He just never equated that backup to his line working. And here's the ironic thing. We put the backup in. 2 months later, they got a ransomware attack. Because we had a ransomware resistant backup, we had them up in 15 minutes. They lost no production.